And another thing we need to know how to do is how to change between bases. So let's imagine we have something in some funny base, in base 13. We have no way of calculating that really, but easily. But if we can change it to a natural log or to log in base 10, then we can solve that on our calculator. So that's the reason we might want to do that. And I'm going to show you the rules. So the rule is that if we've got log in base b of x, and we want to change it to log in base a, then it's equal to log base a of x divided by log in base a of b. So you need to learn that off by heart, but you do not need to learn the proof, which I'm about to show you. So what we're going to do is we're going to let y be equal to log in base b of x, which is equivalent to b. So saying that b to the power y is equal to x, and also we're going to let z be equal to log in base a of x, which is equivalent to saying that a to the power z is equal to x. Okay, so therefore z is equal to log in base a of b to the power y, because I've just replaced x there by b to the power y, and then we're going to use the rule I've just shown you. So we're going to get the y and multiply the whole thing by that, so y times log a of b is the same thing. And now what we're going to do is we're going to replace z by log in base a of x, and we're going to replace y by log in base b of x, and then log in base a of b stays the same, and then we can rearrange that to say that log in base a of x divided by log in base a of b is equal to log in base b of x. So that's what I was trying to show you there. Alright, so let's have an example. So how about if we have log in base 2 of 16, that's equal to log in base 2 of 2 to the power 4. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 16, so that is equal to 4. So log in base 2 of 16 equals 4. But equally, if we change that, let's say we change that to base 4, then we can use this rule and say that log in base 2 of 16 is equal to log in base 2 of 16 over, log in base 4 of 16 over log in base 4 of 2. So log, which is equal to log in base 4 of 4 squared divided by log in base 4 of 4 to 1/2 square root of 4 is equal to 2. So that's equal to 2 divided by 1/2, which is equal to 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. So again, these two numbers are the same. So what you need to memorize is that log in base b of x is equal to log in base a of x over log in base a of b, and that could be useful because you might want to change a logarithm using a funny base to a logarithm using a more convenient base that you can calculate more easily.